Hello everyone, and welcome to Peak Tuition's second video where we solve your homework questions for you. Today we have a question about similar triangles. So the objective of this question is simply to show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle AFG. Now, the key thing to note about this kind of questions is that when you label the angles, they have to be corresponding to the sides. What does that mean? So we are supposed to prove that these two triangles are similar. If you recall, the way to prove that these two triangles are similar is to actually prove that they have at least two common angles, or the ratio of length of all three sides are the same. So for this question, how I managed to solve it was, firstly, as you can see from the diagram, the two triangles that I drew out, they have this common angle here. Now that's the first thing that we can look out for. This common angle, the labeling has to be very careful. So as I mentioned, they said that ABE, triangle ABE is similar to triangle AFG. So when I think about this common angle, first of all, I would say that angle GAF equals to angle. Since I picked GAF, it's as if I move the last letter here. So I'll move the last letter E here. And there I get angle EAB, which is the same angle over here. EAB. Now the reason for this is common angle. So there we have one angle already. To prove that two triangles are similar, we need to prove that one more angle is the same. Let's exit from this image. So if you look at the working down here, I already have the common angle outlined for you. And what you have to do is to prove that there is one more similar angle. So let's go back to the picture. Now in this diagram, we can see that obviously there is a common angle. And then secondly, you can see that there is also these parallel lines. So you can see that this line, sorry, I should use a different color. So you can see that this line highlighted in blue is actually parallel to this line. This is significant because I can say that by corresponding angles, this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degrees. That's the rule for corresponding angles, because this line FD is parallel to this line EC. Okay, so inside the angles can sum up to 180 degrees. If we return to the question, you can see that that's what happened here. I put angle BEA plus angle EGF. Now angle BEA, as you can see, is this one over here. And EGF right here. So these are the two angles that I'm referring to. So now they sum to 180 degrees because of corresponding angles. Secondly, you can see that angle EGF, which is this line I'm talking about over here, equals to 180 degrees minus angle BEA. This was derived from this line, the corresponding angles. Finally, we have FGA equals to 180 degrees minus EGF. Now this is angles on a straight line. Let's go back to the figure to understand how these are angles on a straight line. So as you can see, oh no, the diagram has gotten a little bit messy. I hope you don't mind it here. So what I'm saying is that this angle, EGF, plus this angle makes a straight line, because AE is a straight line. Okay, I really need to clean this up. I'm so sorry for the mess. But you get the idea. The two green angles lie on the same straight line. Therefore, I have angle FGA equals to 180 degrees minus angle EGF. And since I know that EGF has this equation over here, I sub it in. So 180 degrees minus 180 degrees minus BEA, which I simplify to become FGA equals to BEA. Since FGA equals to angle FGA equals to angle BEA and angle GAF equals to angle EAB, this was earlier found when we found that they were a common angle, then ABE and AFG are similar triangles because they have two same angles. that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any further questions or if I can clarify anything.